Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. My boy, female, male, get a new car. Get a new car. What are you doing? Yo, over here, your dog. What is this? I thought that was a dog. Your car is sneezing, sniffing. Like, what is that? What do you do to that car for even to have that? To do that? Like, what in the world is that? What? How did that even happen? Did you buy it like that? Did you buy it like that? Did you get in a car? Like, you know what? I bless you. Sniff away, car, because when that shit blows up, she's gonna blow up.